Danny Brooks. Man, you can see some man. Yeah, yes.
When you're ready.
Ready, man, ready.
Let's start.
We love is coming at full speed ahead. This man is a robber and this one is a thing. He goes from now and go. So when here I'm about to say, there is artificial insemination. They shot the man. They hear to the man. They shot the man right for. When they did that one, I put you on the idea. So all the girls, man, they come on. War is business. Part of the business. So all the girls will fall in love and get some more man who shot them. So the artificial insemination is man and girl.
Hold on. Hold on. First and foremost, there should be no shortage of men. Right? It is because of man going out of nature's order. Why men are short. Hold on. Knowledge becomes scarce. Right? So it gives way for artificial intelligence. And artificial intelligence bringing artificial insemination. Right? So they are trying to tell you that men is not good enough again. The vagina of the woman is no longer good enough. The activator of the penis is no longer good enough. Artificial intelligence.
My time now.
Yes.
That is the girl back bright. Them love me good man.
Jerry, let me tell you something. I know all girl, you are be specific. Like, you have girl who have pussy at daytime and cocky at nighttime, Jerry. They have cocky today and pussy tomorrow, Jerry. Jerry there. Cut for the children.
How much? How much? Yo!
How much? 34,
I mean, how much?
No.
Look at me, how much?
Like, look more at me.
No, man. What do you say about?
90.
90? Yeah, how much?
You know, 90 bike, red one then. Now no clutch.
Yeah, how much?
You know, yeah.
Yo, yeah, how much?
Now 34. 90.
What year you born?
1990.
You age paper make long before you born?
No, can't make long.
So you look so...
So how much? 34, you say?
Yeah. 6 a month, 1990.
You don't look like about 64 to look like... Yo, look here.
How much boy put in?
Yo, the man in a yellow say him a 34. Him born 1990. And Zeke say him a 40.
Look here.
1985.
Who look older?
Hold on me.
Let me see your light. Let me see ID. Let me see ID.
Let me see ID.
Because you don't know what you're born.
What you say, you need pussy? You need pussy, boy.
Just take care of my food. The man come, then she not come. Watch out, he's going back at you. Come back at you.
You're a fucking idiot. Fucking idiot. What this man? What is some bumbo?
You can't say if you want it. Turn back, man. Turn back and come.
What?
Them band come see me here. Me no want to rule the people and boy here.
Your mother not fuck in every yard, man. Stop telling me. I don't believe it.
Leave me and my mother argument. Me I tell you what my mother do, man.
For you?
You know what my mother do with my father? My mother should have there. Should have tell you something, you know. Lynn Gray. My mother not partial to tell you words in a youth. That's why everybody say, Lord, if you have your mother, she named Lynn Gray.
And she give me name Linton. And she give Chappy name Franklin. Half her name, but Chappy a fuck her.
Where, brother?
Him go suck my mother. No, I'm not my mother. Him girl.
Run the blood clot video. Y'all come on my daughter, my dress appropriately. Eh? What the fuck? Eh? A church? A church where I'm trying to call you. I'm on the phone. You're not seeing nobody else. This is not working. No, who said because I call you? Sir. Tell her on the camera. Mr. Mumanga said because I say for you. Miss Class, lock me up.
I'm hungry.
A man a wear shorts, and woman a pass through in a shorts. But daughter said, my daughter can't walk. And the first time she think it's office because she have a shot. You don't go soaking a mama. You don't can't fuck with the people that man in Jamaica. You don't can't blood clot fuck with me. Go soaking a mama. And go feed the poor people that in Jamaica. And that's enough to worry about. And can't make you little piggy them get raped. And that's enough to go worry about. And a pussy wall, you know. Eh? But you're not talking about a tourist who come to this country that she cannot come on these breasts. What the fuck you fi tell a woman how to dress? Go talk to the prostitute them on the street when I lock up the one of them blood clot baby father them. And the one for woman where have done blood clot lesbian in a Jamaica. Kind of lock up all of the men. And that thing nothing gonna talk about. And leave me the fuck alone and come suck out my asshole.
Come in, my power. No, the blood clot. You say I'm pass so. When I come up my rasta, when I poke up. My rasta. When I come up my rasta. I'm rasta right there, rasta gonna make sure. The rasta the one kind of rasta gonna make sure. And the blood clot, you say madman, and then my bomb back. I ride back, I just ride the blood clot, touch the boom. I go and corner to blood clot. You use that man. When I ride my bike, man, I use that man. I'm sit down. If you see me going to 1 minute, so I'm sitting down for 1 minute. Use that.